Hi, it's great to see that you have already completed 2 units of this module and now you are starting Unit 3. Welcome to the introduction of Unit 3. The Unit 3 is about strategic decision making. After completing this unit, you should be able to evaluate strategic investments and apply investment appraisal techniques. So, what do we mean by strategic investment? Actually, the company can invest for short term and also for long term. Normally, the long term investments are often called capital investment decisions, and often these type of investments are part of the strategy of the company. Strategic investments are very important for the future path of the company, and you are going to learn how to evaluate these kind of investments using different investment appraisal techniques. You have the readings from the textbook. You should read chapter 10 and 11, making capital investment decisions and financing a business. In addition to the textbook reading, you should also read the article by Emmanuel Harris and Komakek on Towards a Better Understanding of Capital Investment Decision. These two are, that means, two chapters from the textbook and the journal article by Emmanuel Harris and Komakek. These are the required reading. You also have an optional reading, an article by Lockett, Moon, and Visser on corporate social responsibility in management research, focus, nature, salience, and sources of influence. I encourage all of you to read these materials as soon as possible. Do not forget to go through the media on Anthony's Orchard case study, including the interview with Anthony's Orchard CEO Bob Frost. And also, within the Anthony's Orchard case study, do not forget to listen to the webcast. Often the students ignore that. You may get the important information from the webcast as well. Review all unit materials and announcements. Read the unit preview, learning objectives, unit introduction. Then familiarize yourself with the unit resources, activities, assignments, and assessment criteria. These are the common tasks you have to do at the beginning of any unit. Okay, then read the required readings and also watch, browse, or listen the required media that I have already mentioned. After that, it is time for you to apply your knowledge. Complete the Check Your Knowledge quiz. Then post your initial response to the shared activity forum. Read the postings of your colleagues in the shared activity forum of your group and also respond to them. You know that the individual assignment is the part of the final project that you will submit in the last unit. So review the assessment criteria for the final project, then begin working on the individual assignment. But do not forget to continue participating in the shared activities. That is a continuous work. Okay, after you have completed the individual assignment, submit it in the appropriate area within the deadline. While you try to complete your individual assignment or shared activity, you may have questions. Okay, do not hesitate to ask the questions to me. I am always a few clicks away, so you can go to the contact faculty member area where you will find I will create separate threads for questions about shared activities and also questions about individual assignments. And based on your questions, based on your need, I will try to support you. A little bit about the shared activities and individual assignment. The shared activities. In this learning unit, you have to assess the use of financial data in strategic decision making as part of the shared activities. So what you have to do, you have to review the given financial data of BLC Incorporation. This company has narrowed the choice to the two alternative investments, either invest in property 1 or invest in property 2. So you have to review the financial data given, okay, and then these are the part of your responses that should be given in the shared activities forum. Firstly, post an explanation of the tools that you believe would help you to reach a decision. Then if you were a decision maker, in this organization, which calculations and measures would you want at your disposal before making your choice? Are there other non financial factors that may play a role in your decision? Additionally, include your recommendation to the company which option it should take. Support your decision with an interpretation of any calculations you performed as well as an explanation of any other factors you considered. The individual assignment. In the individual assignment, you will be involved with analysis of the investment for Anthony's Orchard. So, review the Anthony's Orchard case study again and, of course, in more depth. Anthony's Orchard is hoping to purchase an apple press in order to start a new line of prepared apple products, apple juice, as part of its expansion decision. The questions that you will have to answer are: do you think the company's revenue goal of $25 million by 2015 is realistic? Explain how purchase of the Apple press might affect the company's revenue goals. Based on this information, explain whether Anthony's Orchard should invest in the Apple press, and support your response with relevant information provided in the case study, and draft budgeted financial statements from 2012 to 2015 under both options that provide a realistic assessment of expected revenues and costs, and explain how you have arrived at these budgeted figures. I hope that you will be successful in this unit too. See you in the class. Thank you very much.